Hi guys, welcome to the Aging Games. First of all, how funny do I look with this hair? I just did it for last night and I was gonna take it out this morning, open it up so that I would have nice curls, and I thought, oh, it's kind of funky, I'll leave it for today. My family was looking at me rather strangely, but today's video will be about permanent makeup again, and this time I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, which I have done about 10 years ago. Surprisingly, when you do your liner, it really lasts for a long time. I've had it done a few times in my life, but like I said, the last time is 10 years ago. It's faded a lot. You really don't see a lot of it. You will see it when I'm getting the procedure done, but you can still faintly see it. So it's really great that it lasts for a long time. My eyebrows definitely don't last as long. You know, I usually do them every 6 months. Lips can last 2 to 3 years, but the eyeliner lasts a long time. So that's pretty cool. The eyeliner is very helpful because it can really make your eyelashes look thicker. So even if you don't have mascara on, it kind of looks like you do, which I really like. And it's also such a nice feeling to wake up in the morning and it kind of looks like you already have makeup on. So you've got, you've got your eyebrows, you've got your eyeliner, you've got your lips, then it's pretty much done. You know, if you want to put some foundation on, a little bit of blush, and you're ready to go. I remember this procedure being a little bit painful, so I'm a bit nervous. I don't really like pain. Normally I put numbing cream on before, but Susan told me not to put numbing cream on because she uses a special cream for this. So I'm gonna wait for her to put it on, and as always, I'll be filming the procedure for you guys so you can see what takes place, how long it takes. It's supposed to be pretty quick, she said. She's very quick with these things, so that's why I like going to her. Plus she's very good. So let's see, guys, and I really want to show you the final finished result as well. Okay, we're getting ready to do the eyes. It's quite uncomfortable. I forgot how nasty that is.
Let me apply some more topical anesthetic.
And we're using black.
Absolutely.
And do you find that others are saying too that it lasts for a long time?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, this is like 10 years, 11 years that I've had this. So after you go through it the first time, then you break the skin and the anesthetic goes in deeper, right? And it will work better. How deep do you go with this? Is it less deep than the eyebrows, for example?
Yes, absolutely. Yes. So just
More superficial.
Yes, exactly. Half a millimeter, not too deep, because otherwise it starts to blur.
And you always use black?
Always black. Brown doesn't tend to stay. So.
What about like doing the top and the bottom? Or does that close the eyes a bit? Or does
Depends on the eye shape, but usually I really like to do the top because it makes the eyes look bigger.
Yeah.
So I'm just going through the lash rows to make the eyelash enhancements. Okay.
My mom had it done
Uh-huh.
a few years back, not with you, with another lady, and her eyes were so swollen for days.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
She couldn't even go out.
Oh, no.
That's not normal, right?
No, she went a little bit too deep, too hard. Well, it makes such a huge difference.
Yeah? You could already see it?
Mm-hmm.
I forgot to film the last time we did the eyebrows. I should have done it because it was a different technique. Because when I filmed it the first time, it was the strokes, the hair strokes.
Oh yes, and the second time we did
Yeah.
the powder brow.
I think it looks better like
Looks
this.
better.
And it'll last longer, right?
Absolutely.
Do you still need to go over it?
Just a little bit.
A bit of crying. It's normal. Keep putting on that little cane.
Open up.
Back to this one.
I'm just going to finish this off.
Just like tattooing?
Yeah, it's a form of tattooing.
Will it fade away completely?
No, colour will just lose its vibrancy, but it will be there.
Like mine's still there after 10 years.
So this is a lot less maintenance than having the eyebrows. So.
Yeah.
Because we are using black, and black does tend to stay.
Oh, is that why? You just do the black for the eyebrows.
No.
Can you imagine?
No, it's
horrible, I know. Remember in the olden days, that's what they used to do. Oh my god. And it would turn to like grey
green, blue,
or purple.
purple.
I'm trying.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Just a little bit more on this left eye. There we go.
Ugh.
Is it so? Oh God.
Oh, you can imagine.
It's very
Oh,
sensitive,
no.
this area.
Oh, God.
Skin's very thin there.
But I mean, look how fast, and then you're done for 10 years.
Exactly.
Is it 10 years?
Well, you should really do you should freshen it
Yeah,
up
freshen up, yeah.
every
couple
couple years.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I'm just going to show you the mirror. Be like that.
I can't see anything on the light.
I'm sure it's nice, no? Let me just check again.
Here I am, guys, a few hours later, just getting ready for bed, and I wanted to show you my eyes very quickly. So I just had the permanent makeup done a few hours ago in the afternoon, and as you can see, my eyes are no longer swollen. They look fine. My husband didn't notice anything as usual. It's just a very nice black line just along the lash line to make the lashes look thicker, to open up my eyes a bit. And I've got this special cream that I need to apply a couple of times a day, and nothing else is to be put on there. So no mascara, no creams, no castor oil that I use for the lashes, nothing, for 1 week until it heals. Usually the eyes don't crust as much as like the eyebrows or the lips will. So I probably won't even notice when the top layer starts coming off, and then I will have my beautiful new eyeliner. Thanks guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this and would like to see more from me, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.